If you've lost access to your Mercari account and continue to use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the account recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Mercari website. Go to the official Mercari website or open the app. Look for the login section where you can enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Mercari with instructions on how to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Click the link in the email and follow the prompts to create a new password. Once completed, you should be able to log back into your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Mercari's customer support for further assistance.